By the end of this video, you'll be able to take a video clip that's in color and make it black and white. Grab your video clip and drag it into the main track. This stock video clip that I found on pixabay.com is a little long, so I'm going to edit it. Move the playhead to the position where you want your clip to begin, and tap the scissors icon to make a cut. Next, tap the plus sign and choose Overlay Title. This will place a text title over top of your clip. If you make a mistake, just tap the undo button to do this properly. Now tap on the plus sign and choose Overlay Title. You can stretch a clip out so that it is the same length as another clip. Then select your video clip and tap the duplicate icon. Tap your overlay title, long press and drag it down over top of your duplicate clip until you see this gold box. Then let go and choose Replace Clip, Keep Timeline Duration. You've got 2 clips in your project. One video clip on the main track and one overlay title. You can see that you've got 2 clips and they are exactly the same length. If you need to check this out for yourself, just scrub forward and you'll see that the text remains on screen for the duration of this clip. Either double tap the overlay title or tap the pencil icon to open the clip editor. You may need to select the title screen by tapping this T here. Tap the arrow on the left of the text layer properties to expand those properties. Then tap on the trash can to delete the text. Tap the plus sign up here, and you want to add a shape. The size slider appears in frame and fit. However, if you're on the title screen, you can also use the scale slider. Just move it all the way to the right. Select frame and fit. Close the position properties. Scroll down and you'll see blending. Open the blending properties. Just tap a blending mode to select it. Make sure that your overlay title clip is the one that's selected. There are 2 blending modes you can use that will make your video clips black and white. The first is saturation, and the next is color. As I switch between the 2, you can see that there is no difference between them, so you can use either one. Tap anywhere on the screen to dismiss the blending modes, and you can go back to the main timeline by tapping the arrow on the left. Play the video clip to see what you've got. Tap the pencil icon once more with your overlay title clip selected to open the clip editor. In this example, you can use either a white rectangle or a black one. Let me show you. If you tap on the T, you'll be taken back to the title screen. Here you can see face color. Switch the face color from white to black. Dismiss the color picker, and then either go back to frame and fit, or you can go back to the main timeline. And then you can play your clip and see that it's black and white.